In continuation to my previous tip, where I suggested that you need to have the right investment option based on the purpose of that investment, I have another tip for you, tip number 8, which is diversify. Just the way we discussed in the previous tip, you need to have a balance between liquid funds and illiquid funds. Similarly, you need to have a diversified portfolio that allows you to meet different investment goals. Diversification can be done across various parameters. Essentially, what it means is that you have a lot of variety in the kind of investments that you're making. I think we've all heard this saying, do not put all your eggs in one basket. And nowhere is this true than in creating an investment portfolio. Let's say I have put all of my money in the equity market. So all I have is shares of various companies. And, unfortunately, for whatever reason, let's say when I need to take out some of this money for any kind of expense, at that point of time, the stock market is at a low. Well, what that will mean is that I need to sell my shares at a low point rather than at a high point. And this is a needless choice which is being forced upon me only because I have no other option, because my portfolio is not diversified. Therefore, if I had instead only put some amount of money in equity and some other money in instruments like debt, or real estate or commodities, I would have been able to make the right choice given which is the kind of sector which is doing the best. So always make sure you diversify. This diversification can be in the type of investment. It can be it should be actually a variety of the instruments that you're holding, a variety of liquidity options that you have, a variety of the returns that you're getting, and the risk profiles that each investment carries. So always look at your portfolio at periodic times and then rebalance it based on how much money is being put into what kind of asset type. So always make sure you have a diversified asset portfolio, and this will help you balance your risk and sort of ride the waves of volatility that the investment world creates for us.